Hello everyone! Welcome back to WXY Handmade. Today I'll show you how to make this adorable beaded cupcake. You can turn these cute little cupcakes into all kinds of jewelry. Thread your beading needle. Pick up 6 beads. Pass back through all 6 beads you just added. Then continue through one more bead. Leave about a 3-inch tail. Pick up the beads shown on the screen. Pass back through one bead, then continue through one more bead, passing through 2 beads in total. Pick up the beads shown on the screen. Pass back through one bugle bead and 2 seed beads. Repeat the same pattern all the way around. For the last section, first pass through one bugle bead. Then pick up 2 seed beads and pass through one bugle bead. Pass through one seed bead, then continue through one bugle bead. Pass through 2 seed beads. Pick up the beads shown on the screen. Pass back through 2 seed beads. Pick up 1 seed bead. Pass through 2 seed beads. Pick up the beads shown on the screen. Pass through 1 purple bead and then continue through 2 seed beads. Place the pearl into the center. Pick up 1 purple seed bead, then continue through 2 seed beads. Repeat this pattern all the way around. For the last section, first pass through 1 purple seed bead. Then add 1 seed bead and pass through 1 purple seed bead and 2 white seed beads. Finally, add 1 purple seed bead. Pass through 2 white seed beads . Pass through 1 purple seed bead. Then reinforce the top ring by passing through all seed beads once more. Pick up 1 bicone. Pass through the seed bead directly opposite. Pass back through the bicone. Your cupcake is almost finished. Next, add 1 seed bead for attaching a jump ring. This step is optional. Bring the needle down to the bottom of the cupcake. Meet up with the thread tail you left at the beginning. Tie a secure knot. Weave in the thread end. Trim the excess thread. Your adorable beaded cupcake is finished.